Now I will explain Avengers Part 2. At the start of the movie, we see all Avengers. They were going to attack the base of Hydra, because the leader of Hydra was doing strange experiments. He has a scepter, a stick in which there is a gem. You must have seen it in the previous parts. The experiments were like he inserts some energies in humans while using this scepter, so they can fight with others and Avengers for him. His next target was Avengers. He chooses 2 siblings, and they were twins. The leader of Hydra has done experiments on them, so now they have energies. Now the girl on which the experiment was done, she goes to the Iron Man and starts hypnotizing him while taking out some energies from her hands. Her brother goes to Captain America to attack him. Here the scene changes. We see when they moved to Hydra base, they defeated them and they went to bring a scepter. Iron Man has got the scepter and comes to his lab. Here Hulk was also with him. They plan to do an experiment on the scepter. They will find that how is it so dangerous. Here Iron Man and Hulk come to know a special thing, that the gem in the stick can think itself. It has the ability to think. It means it can generate power and energy itself. Iron Man and Hulk make a defensive layer around it, so it can scan the things there or can't damage them. But their plan fails and its energy has already reached the other electronics. It starts scanning them. There was another personal computer of Iron Man. It has its own intelligence and it starts emitting rays and starts fighting with the scepter, so it can't damage or read the other electronics, but the scepter also emits rays and destroys the computer. After it, scepter shifts to another electronic and escapes from there. Moving from there, the scepter destroys the tower. After it, it goes to Hydra base to recover itself or enhance its energies. Here we see Scepter has transformed its body. It comes into a robotic form. Its name is Ultron. Ultron goes to the twins. They ask them to be a part of its army. We will fight against the Iron Man and the other Avengers. Those twins immediately agree, because they say Iron Man has taken our parents' lives. They go to a weapon dealer and he makes advanced weapons. Ultron asks him to make weapons for it, but he demands it a lot of money. Ultron has the power. It can transfer money in his account from any account. It also does this, and the name of the thing is vibranium, the metal from which the shield of Captain America is made. It is very strong. Now the twins reach Avengers, because now they are strong and have telekinetic powers, from which they can control the mind of others, so they control Hulk's mind. They feed in his mind that his team wants to kill him. He comes in anger. He starts feeling insecure. He moves forward to kill his own team. Now because Hulk was so powerful, so Iron Man also wears his new suit. He had made it ready before. It was just to control Hulk, because he has already known this, that Hulk will do this one day, because this thing will be feed in his mind. Here the fight begins between them. Hulk throws a car towards Iron Man. It hits him. Iron Man falls behind. Then he immediately moves forward. He lifts up Hulk and throws him on another side. Because Hulk was so aggressive, so he stabs a rod in Iron Man's arm. Due to it, his suit was damaged. His hand breaks and falls down. But then Iron Man gives a signal to a satellite. His new hand comes from there and joins with him. Now the fire